guys, welcome back to Roblox Shimmers Gamer. So today I'm going to be playing some speedrun. I got a suggestion to be a pro at the game, so I decided to make it speedrun because Tower of Hell is a little slightly way harder. Okay, so that's my friend right there, the one I just joined. See who is better. Oh no!
She's winning you!
I'm slow. What happened to me? Okay, now. I don't think I missed it. It just, like, glitched. Okay. So, I'm enjoying the music right here. Yeah. I don't think I should lose in this one. Oh.
Yeah, we lose.
Yeah. It's the first level. So, I suppose I'm not a pro at this. I'm trying. I'm attempting, guys. I shouldn't die, but I keep on dying. It's the easiest level. Okay, so.
So we almost win. Say what? Almost the winner.
Almost. You said it. Almost. Wait, why isn't my friend in level 2? Interesting.
We're the winner! Yes!
Okay, let's see what the messages are. Level team. To be expected.
You're on the beach.
So if you go, no, I'm on the desert. So if I go to the cactuses, I die. Got that.
This is the cactus. The cactus.
Cactus. Oh, I made it.
We're not supposed to win it.
I won. And I suppose that's your on the level team message. Not gonna be surprised if it is. I'm like, guys, 99.9% sure.
No, we're almost the winner.
Oh my god.
It almost.
Look, you see, guys. Oh my god. That's my little brother right here. I call him Noni. He's adorable, but sometimes he's not.
Yeah, and I have my new water bottle.
Oh yeah, he just got a new water bottle.
Yeah, it's from Census.
Census.
Yeah, my another teacher gave it to me.
Oh, her teacher gave it to you?
Yeah, Janina.
Oh, Janina.
Yeah, she gave it to me.
Oh, that's good. Okay,
yes,
so his
my
teacher,
new water bottle.
His teacher gave him a water bottle, and
my sister pink and I'm blue, but just bubble. My another one, but I have my new one. This is one more bubble.
Oh, so you're saying you have a water bottle and you have another one, but this one is more bottle-ish? Okay, that's what I understood.
Census. Bente.
Oh my god, Noni. Okay, so he's saying Census 2020, just that he sees a commercial in Spanish, so it's Bente. Well, that's what he keeps on saying, even though that's not the correct way of saying it.
When you.
If you keep jumping, I'm gonna fall down.
No.
Oh, I made it, guys. I'm trying to beat this at once, which I'm probably not. What's her racer help?
Your friend.
My friend is not racer help. Oh, it's because he saw a video of this kid saying racer help.
Yeah.
It's helmet, not help, by the way.
Look, that guy with the helmet racer.
Oh no! You see, I told you, I'm always having trouble in this level. Well, technically in all the levels, but if they were, like, I saw the other day that I was playing that this girl had an umbrella.
Look, that guy.
Oh, no, wait.
With a helmet.
No, it wasn't the other day. It was on my last video of speedrun.
Yeah, but my dad knew Simon's Gamer, so we said.
And my friend had an umbrella, if you remember, guys. Okay, Nani. Enough talking. He loves talking. I love talking too. It's my hobby, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
No favorite.
Okay. If this is my favorite game, no, it's not. I love this game, but it's not my favorite.
Cindy, how you?
I'm always having trouble in this balancing part.
So we're fighting. So I'm gonna be on the concert tomorrow.
Concert? What concert?
Tomorrow.
My brother, I would describe him
Yeah,
as a really imaginative
No!
person. He has a really creative mind, and that's what I love about him.
Then you need to jump in.
Okay, so I've been here 1 minute and 49 seconds trying to beat this level. That's what that thing is telling me. The thingy on the top right here. Right here. Oh my god, stop jumping. No, stop. My brother loves ruining this game for me because he loves disasters. And he glitched it. I'm not even jumping, guys. Okay, thank goodness. I had to reset the character. Okay, so...
Yes, I did it.
No, he keeps on making me fall down. I'm really enjoying this. Wait. Is that my friend?
I'm enjoying you falling down.
For some reason, you enjoy falling.
Yay!
Wait, is my friend in the server?
What? The helmet?
No, not the helmet. Oh my god. It's not the helmet. It's a hat.
Racer help?
No, it's not a racer help. Oh my god, Noni, stop watching that video.
What, Science Gamer?
Yeah.
No, that's my favorite.
Oh my god.
You go ahead, and then now you're in trouble.
What?
Just go ahead, and now you're in trouble.
Who's in trouble?
You.
Why?
My son must gamer.
He's getting me in trouble. Okay, I survived, guys.
Sarah, we're almost the winner. No.
Oop, I died. The way my torso just goes flying. Is there a store here?
Sarah, bubble gum.
Game passes.
Sunny.
Oh,
Hey, shh. Cindy, get a bubble gum.
no, that cost us Robux. Okay, so I literally just skipped that. Okay.
My sister.
Oh no! This is why you don't skip it.
Oh! It's good fly.
Shimmers. I'm Shimmers Gamer. Okay.
Again?
Wait. How did I die? I fell down, but like, why am I looking towards the camera? Oh, the girl is right there.
That doesn't win. Cindy, you don't get to the other box.
Wait, I can't look back to the girl because... Oh, yes, no, never mind, I can.
No, just she's winning you.
Oh my god, no. I love races, but I don't race because I'm not good at it. See, if it were not in gaming...
Cindy,
Oh, I think I just saw
power.
the girl. It's not power, it's just a trail.
While you're walking.
Is the girl here? Oh yeah, she's coming. Oh, this one is easy. I shouldn't die in this one.
Yes, you do.
Why do you want me to die in this one? Does a penguin tag once again?
No.
No, stop.
Hey, just.
No, stop.
Ow!
Stop.
Ah!
Stop.
Just get out. Get out. Out this way. Oh no! He's walking away. That's too close. This game is too close.
It's because you made it look like it's really far. Oh no! You see, it's your fault. I told you not to.
No,
do
we're
it.
on the water.
Okay, so... Oh, I didn't jump. Fair enough.
Wait, not jump. We're on the water.
The water is somehow dangerous, Noni.
This is what is so
Also, guys, my brother has a channel. Go ahead and check it out.
Wobble. Oh, this is not a word. This is just the lava.
It's not lava.
Literally.
Oh my god, I was about to die.
No, we're too close.
Okay, we survived.
Yeah, good job. Oh, this is too closer. This is easy.
What I did was I literally just like last time I played. Oh no, is that you aren't supposed to take forever like that? Yeah, cause
it's kind of power.
I have moon dimension.
Oh, I need to go through. Oh, I'm sorry, bye. So I need to sleep.
Yeah, this is why you don't go really fast for much of them. Okay. No! I just had to jump a little more. Okay. Oof. It's not a racer helmet. It's just a beanie. Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
That's when I eat and keep on dying. Just only work to.
No! Okay, I'm not gonna go really, really fast. I'm just going to go slow and steady. No, never mind. I have to go fast.
Yeah. Oh, this is too much.
Okay, I was about to say, oh no, did I just die? This one is really, really long, guys. Oh, I didn't make it! No!
No! What we do? No!
What level am I in?
And they still push.
No. Why did I keep on going? Okay. I'm not ending this video till I beat this level. So that means I'm probably gonna stay here for like the rest of my life. Okay.
Why will you keep doing that? Oh, keep on that. So I'm just in this door.
Also, guys, if you want a new dimension, no! Oh no! If you guys want a new dimension, use code MOON. And also, guys, be sure to join my group, Saturn Reigns. Pretty much. Oh no, my brother made me fall down.
Yeah.
Why do you love me dying?
So I'm just on the toilet. So I'm just in the
Also, be sure to follow me in this account. It's called break underscore in shimmers.
Breaking news. Bye guys. Bye guys. We'll see you again till next time. And you like this video, you have to subscribe to my channels. Bye guys.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, you need
And
to get
subscribe
a thumbs
to my
up
brothers.
or thumbs down.
No, not
you
thumbs down.
like or
Not
you
thumbs-
like.
Not thumbs down. Okay guys, so that is it. Hope you liked it, and see you my next time.
Yeah. Bye guys.